Today we are doing rainbow colored bands at the intersection of 17th and P. This is one of several intersections that will be applying this rainbow colored treatment for Pride Month. This is one of many locations that we're doing along 17th Street, but then we're also going to be looking for other opportunities to do this in all 8 wards of the city.
The reason why this is so unique is because it's not actually meant to interact with the vehicles and with the drivers. It's not an actual part of the crosswalk itself, but it's an aesthetic treatment of the intersection, which is okay and allowable with current regulations.
This is an important moment in our city. This is Pride Month. We know that this year we were unable to do a Pride Parade, but we wanted to celebrate under Mayor Bowser's leadership. This is one of the ways that we're doing it. Certainly for me, I'm a proud LGBTQ member of the Mayor's Cabinet, and we are so proud of our Mayor and her leadership across the board. And this is one of the ways that we continue to show that pride. And this is a great day for us, and we look forward to doing more of these.